you've got it.
Hi, sweetheart. I know you're so scared. Oh, baby. I finished my solar panel racks on my Land Cruiser, and I can't drive under here because of this beautiful thing. So we're gonna try and take it down. I've never been able to drive my tractor this way either, so this must come down, and it's gonna be a really neat piece for decoration. I have my ideas about it, but I've got to try and take it down. I don't know how easy this is going to be because it's nails, so I'm going to pry them off. 3 nails in each hole. I'm going to try and use the tractor loader to help me leverage it down. Yeah, I'm sure this is a little dangerous for me to do alone, but it's just how it is. There's all my girly tools. My favorite hammer. But what I'm doing, I can't sawzall this off because the hinge is right at the crack where I could. I can't get the sawzall to do the nails, so I'm prying it so I can get the nail heads out, hammer the hinge back in, and pull the nails out. These are gonna be trickier. That's the hardest hinge. The others, this one, well, I don't know. Oh, nice. Let me get those nails. Oh, wow. We've got it. Yeah. Very encouraged. I liked harvesting grapes better. Oh my gosh, there it is, my friends. Lowering it down is going to be a mystery at this point. I don't know yet. Oh well, and I just jammed my shoulder. That was scary. I know this thing's heavy. I am so lucky. I did jam my shoulder. Hey baby, now you can see. It's my amount of nails from, yeah, that's all of them. I can't believe I did this, Willa. so excited to move all the babies from the dog crate to their new home. I have made a really nice doorway so that they're going to be so safe. And I can latch it. Yay! So I'll show you everything about it once I move these babies. It's going to get dirty. Oh.
Okay, sweeties. Oh. Yucky stuff first. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yucky! Hi, sweeties.
Okay, I might put that door back on.
Hi, babes.
I need to get a close-up of them in their dog crate. They've really grown.
Hi, babies. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness, you guys are so cute. Hi. I'm about to move you, sweeties. You're gonna love your new spot. Yes, you are. I promise.
It'll be so much easier to feed them, and they'll have their first real roost spot. I'm so excited to see them finally roost.
Hi, sweetheart. I know you're so scared. Oh, baby. Beautiful. Willa, come see the babies. Oh, okay. Hi, sweetie. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. A little blackie. A little blackie. Hi, sweetheart. Okay. One more. It's our last sweetheart. Oh. It's okay, babe.
Oh, I gotta go wash my hands. God.